Okay, we are on to chapter 3, basic facts and relationships. Right now, you're going to show what you know on your own. Use symbols to add. Use the picture, what you see here. Use the plus symbol. The plus symbol to complete the addition sentence. And the equal to symbol. Okay? Alright? The plus symbol and the equal symbol. Right here. They're giving you what they are. Okay? And right here. The circles are where you're going to put the plus or the equal. Okay? Then it says write the sum. A sum, boys and girls, is the answer to the addition problem. So write what those equal. 4 plus 3 equals what? 5 plus 0 equals what? This one on the bottom, new addition sentence. Count the counters. Write the number. Use your addition or equal sign. Count the numbers. Use the addition or equal sign, and then write the answer. Same with 9. Okay? Go ahead and start.
This looks like kindergarten stuff.
Okay, well then you should have no problem getting it done.
It is really.
Next page, vocabulary. Sort the review words in the graphic organizer. These review words must have been vocabulary words that you have had in the past if you have been at this school. Okay? So, we have addition words and subtraction words. This had the word plus. Plus means addition. Cross that one out. It's already been used. Okay. Then there are some words that will go in the middle that you would use with both. Okay. So here is a word. What's that first word? Which one is that one going to go in? Of course it goes in addition. Addition is going to go in addition.
It just said the answer.
Yeah. Write it, cross it out. Okay, we're going to have to finish this up after music. So once you have that word, go get your sanitizer and line up right. We're going to put subtraction and subtraction words. Guys, what does subtraction mean?
Taking away.
Taking away, getting less, right? What does addition mean?
Getting more.
Adding and getting more. Good. Okay, what's this word? Minus. What is minus?
Taking away.
Taking away. It's the sign for subtraction. Look up here. When you are subtracting, it's the minus sign. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Minus is subtraction. Minus, the minus sign. When we add, it's a cross, right? Yep, that's a plus sign. Okay? Minus sign for subtraction, plus sign. 3 plus 2 equals 5. Okay, what's this word? Equals. Do you see equals on on subtraction or addition?
No. Middle.
Wait. Is it none though then?
Both. It's not.
Both.
Yeah.
You have equal signs in addition. You have equal signs in subtraction. It's in both. It's not in none. It's in both. Equal will be in both. Equal will be in both. Okay. Then what word do we have?
Count on.
Count on. What does count on mean?
Means add
Yeah, get bigger, right? Counting on means you're getting to bigger and bigger numbers. Is that addition or subtraction?
Addition.
Okay, count on will be an addition. And the last one?
Count back.
Okay, counting back means
Getting
smaller numbers, so that is
Subtraction.
subtraction. Okay, once you have done that, I will allow you to do the bottom part on your own, and once you have it done, you can come check it with me. I will rate it.